Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if the power button on your remote simply isn't turning off your Fire Stick. So what you want to do is go on over to Settings, scroll on down and go over to Equipment Control right here. And you need to make sure you have your TV set up. So let's go to Setup Equipment again. This will override your current settings and it will take about 5 to 10 minutes. So if you don't have your TV in here, you might want to go to that. But I'm just going to go to Manage Equipment and then go to TV. And I can change my TV brand under here if I do have it already selected. So we can go through this setup and we're going to be able to pick our TV. And that is usually what aligns my remote and gets everything to work. It says make sure your Fire TV is cube is turned on. All right, let's go to the next. Which brand of TV do you have? Now the thing is, I just have an Amazon Fire TV, so it's pretty much the same thing as a Fire Stick. But choose LG, Philips. I think TCL is one of the most popular companies now. Sony, Sharp, Samsung. But I'm just going to choose Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV. Then you can add a receiver or soundbar if you want under here. So if you ever want to try to set that up. Now it says we'll turn off your TV. Once we go to the next, turning off your TV. So if this works, you're good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tac.